Grace.
Morning noches, ma'am.
Yes. So, buenas noches, kids.
Morning noches, ma'am. Ma'am,
How are you all? Hola, hola. How are you all? ¿Cómo estás? Is how are you?
Hola. Hola.
Hola, hola.
Hola y buenas. Hola. Hola.
Hola. Hola. So, anyone can tell me what we were doing in last class?
We were doing colors in Spanish.
Yes. Hola. So, we have new kids, right? We have Shashank.
Shashank is my brother, ma'am. He's my cousin.
Okay, Shashank is your brother. Shashank is new, right?
Yes, ma'am. He used to attend class before also, but he left in between.
Okay. Okay, tell me your favorite color. We'll start from Swara. ¿Cuál es tu color favorita? Who is this? Arush. Hola, adios, bye. Okay, why is Arush saying adios? Arush? Okay, so Swara, we'll start with you, right? Right, Swara, we'll start with you. So, tell me, ¿cuál es tu color favorita?
Rosie.
Which? Swara, I'm not able to hear you, darling. No, it's not audible, Swara. Orange. Okay, orange in Spanish is? Naranja. Swara, you're not audible. Who is this? Vineet Kesri, okay. So, orange in Spanish is?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, Swara, I can hear you now. What was orange in Spanish, Swara?
Naranga.
Yes, very good. Naranja, okay. Then, Abhinav. ¿Cuál es tu color favorito?
What, teacher? What, ma'am?
¿Cuál es tu color favorito? That is, which is your favorite color?
Amarillo.
Yeah, you have to say, mi color favorito es?
Mi color favorito is amarillo.
Sí, very good. Okay, Jyotishna, ¿cuál es tu color favorita?
Mi color favorito is...
You have to say favorita. You have to say favorita. Mi color favorita es?
Roso.
Rosa. Okay, rosa. For boys, it would be favorito. For girls, it would be favorita. Okay, Arav. ¿Cuál es tu color favorito?
Mi color.
Yes, mi color.
What, ma'am?
Yes, say Arav. Color favorito. Mi color favorito es?
Mi color. क्या बोलो?
You have to say which is your favorite color. Mi color favorito es?
Mi color favorito is red.
Red. So it would be Rocco.
Rocco.
Right? Okay. Shashank, which is your favorite color?
Favorite to?
No, you tell me in English. Which is your favorite color?
Color. Favorite to color.
कौन सा कलर है फेवरेट जो नाम बताओ?
Can I show you something? Red, ma'am.
Red, okay. So, Shashank, red in Spanish is rojo. So, you have to see, say mi color favorito es rojo.
My favorite too.
Mi favorite.
Mi color favorito es
Is
rojo.
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 Okay, we need an Ansh. We need an Ansh. Buenas noches.
Yes. Hola. Hola.
So, which is your favorite color?
Mi color favorita es naranja, rojo, amarillo.
Naranja, rojo, amarillo. Okay. And your Ansh?
Is rosado.
Okay, rosado. Okay, great. Mi color favorito es rosado. Arush, ¿cuál es tu color favorito? ¿Cuál es tu color favorito? That is, which is your favorite color?
Rojo.
Rojo. So you have to see mi color favorito es
Mi color favorita es rojo.
favorito. You will say favorito and girls will say favorita.
Okay.
Okay, rojo. Okay, Anveshi, you were not there in last class.
Ma'am, can you pardon?
Anveshi, you were not there in last Spanish class.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush.
ma'am, what is your favorite color?
Okay, what is my favorite color? Mi color favorita es negro.
Negro.
Negra.
Negro means
That is black.
black.
Okay, Anveshi.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anveshi, which equal is to color favorita?
Rosa. Mi
Rosa,
color
okay.
favorito es rosa.
You have
Favorita. Ma'am, what is the difference between favorito and favorita?
they are same, but for boys it is favorito. For girls it is favorita.
Oh.
In Hindi, right? We have mera favorite color, right? And that is
Yeah.
we have difference in gender, right? We also have different in words.
Yeah.
The same way we have in Spanish. Okay.
Okay.
Ayush, ¿cuál es tu color favorito?
Blue.
Azul. Blue is azul. So you have to see mi color favorito es azul.
Mi color favorito is blue.
Azul.
Azul.
Say azul.
Azul.
Yes, azul. Muy bien. Prakirti.
Ma'am, azul means blue.
Yes, azul means blue. Any other students? Anyone is left? Sonam Kumaria. Sonam, ¿cuál es tu color favorito? Favorita.
Mi color favorita is naranja.
Naranja. Okay, good. So it's naranja. So we were watching the video, right, kids? We'll see it again. Today we'll continue it. Any name of 5 colors? Any 5 colors? Who can tell me 5 colors?
Can I tell?
Who is that?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Anveshi. Abhinav, you can. Yes. Say 5 each. Okay, Abhinav, you say 5. Then Anveshi. you
Good
say
grammar and spelling are important, but if you
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what language are you speaking, ma'am?
I'm speaking Spanish. Spanish. Piyush, I'm Spanish teacher. I'm your Spanish teacher. So I'm speaking Spanish.
What are you sending?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so Anvishi, you can say 5 colors.
Yes. Naranja, rosa, negro, amarillo, rojo. Yeah. Lila, azul. There are many colors.
Okay. Abhinav, can you tell what all Anvishi said?
Verde.
Can I?
Yes, who is that? Who is saying can I?
Yes.
Can
Azul, rojo, amarillo, rosado, rosado, verde, negro, blanco, plateado, dorado, morado, granado, maroon.
Very good, very good, very intelligent. Swara, you also know, right? Abhinav also knows.
Teacher, can I say
Abhinav,
now?
can you translate them in English?
What, teacher?
Can you translate 5 colors in English? You can tell both in Spanish and English.
Yes, red, rojo, yellow, amarillo, blue, azul, gray, grease, pink, rosa.
Yes, very good. Muy bien, muy bien. Okay, so today we'll do clothes in Spanish, right? What you all are wearing.
Okay.
Okay?
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, Anvishi, say.
Can I tell my can you tell what is the like translation in Spanish of fluorescent?
Fluorescent colors, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can tell you, of course. So we have how many fluorescent colors we have?
Like fluorescent
I have-
green, fluorescent
And rojo.
Yellow,
Yes, we
fluorescent
also have
yellow.
yeah. So fluorescent in Spanish is same, that is fluorescente.
Fluorescente.
Fluorescente amarillo.
Like
Fluorescente.
mi camiseta fluorescente verde.
Yeah. Sí. Es verde. Let me share my screen, okay.
Teacher, what we say the clothes in Spanish?
Clothes.
Please say
Clothes in
again.
Spanish is ropa.
Ma'am,
Ropa.
can we call it as camiseta, like something like that?
What can we
Camiseta.
call?
Camiseta something.
Yeah,
my ropa.
yes, we'll do it right.
ये
We'll do
क्या
it now.
चल रहा है?
In Spanish, who is asking that question? Ropa is clothes in Spanish, okay? You all are able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Ma'am, my ropa color is grease, nargo, and rojo.
Yes, okay, yes. These, negro and rojo. Very good, Abhinav, very good. Anyone else? You want to tell your color or your dress color?
My dress color is azul.
Who is
My dress design is blanco. Negro.
Your is negro? No, I think it's rosa. Jyotishna, it's rosa.
Yes, rosa negro mix. In my
It's not black. Okay. White is blanco.
white is
Negro is, yeah, negro is black. Okay, who was there? Who said I? Ansh? Or who was it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ansh, what is your color of your dress today? Which color you are wearing?
Pink.
Rosa, right? Okay, Arav, your
Yes, ma'am.
what is the color of your dress?
Naramkha.
Yes, Naramha. Very good. So you all are able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll start this, okay?
El armario.
You able to hear the sound?
Yes, ma'am. But it's very low.
Okay, it's very low. Wait.
A red shoe.
Now it's perfect.
Zapato rojo. The clothes. La ropa.
The clothes in Spanish are?
La
La ropa, yes.
Ma'am, we have 10 minutes.
The shoe. El zapato.
What are the shoes in Spanish? The shoe in Spanish?
Zapato.
Okay, everyone is making notes?
Zapato.
Zapato, yes. Everyone is making notes, right? Write, everyone. You have to write. Arush, Arav, Ayush, you have to write. Shashank, start making notes. Vineet and Kesli are already writing. Very good. Anvishi is writing. Very good.
Ma'am.
Krishna is writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Swara is writing. Yes, Shashank. Shashank, you have to write it. You have to make notes, okay? The shoe in Spanish is zapato, el zapato.
Ma'am, can I type it in my laptop?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I can make it loud.
Okay.
The shoes. Los zapatos.
The shoes are los zapatos. El zapato is a single shoes, and if there are many shoes, there would be los zapatos. That are the shoes. If there are many shoes, right? Then it would be los zapatos.
Los zapatos.
The sock. El calcetín.
The socks. What are the socks in Spanish? Wait,
The calcetín.
El calcetín.
Il calcetín.
You are wearing socks? No, in summers who will wear socks, right? But you like to wear socks? Calcetín?
Yes, ma'am.
The socks.
What is el zapatos in English?
The shoe.
The shoe.
Yeah, the shoe.
Los calcetines.
The socks would be los calcetines. Like we had los zapatos. Are you sure writing it?
Yes, ma'am.
You're getting it? What I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am. Il zapato, los zapatos, il calcetín.
Yes, calcetín. Calcetín and los calcetines. That is the socks.
Ma'am,
Okay,
what is zapatos?
Zapato is shoe. And if it is a single shoe, that is el zapato. If there are many shoes, there would be los zapatos. Like we have in English, the shoe, the shoes. The sock, the socks. The same way. El zapato, los zapatos. El calcetín, los calcetines.
Ma'am, what is Ilza calcetín means, ma'am?
That means the socks. Ansh, you're writing it? Ansh,
Yes, ma'am.
you're getting it? You're writing it?
Yeah. What else, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
The pants. Los pantalones.
The pants are called?
los pantalones.
Who will tell me me the color of the pants here.
Azul.
Yes,
Azul.
azul. Very good.
Ma'am, this is yeah pant.
Yeah, they are pantalones. You're getting it, Anshwini? You're getting it?
Ma'am, one singular pant will be called as L pantalos
Pantalon. Yeah, el pantalon.
and plural will be Los
Los
pantalos.
pantalones. Yes.
नंबर वाला गेम खेल
The shirt. La camisa.
The shirt is,
La camisa.
what is the color of shirt?
Pink.
Rosa.
Rosa. And
Ma'am, can you wait for a minute?
yeah,
T-shirt is rosa.
Rosa.
And pant is
And star. Star in Spanish is estrellas. The star here is amarillo.
Then what means la camisa?
La camisa is the shirt. The shirt.
The shorts. Los pantalones cortos.
So the shorts are los pantalones cortos. These are the shorts.
1 second.
Pant color is rosa.
Yes, rosa. Very good.
Can you wait?
Swara, you are getting it?
Ma'am, what is this?
These are shorts. The shorts in Spanish are los pantalones cortos.
Okay, ma'am.
We were also doing professions in last class. We did some professions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll revise them again and then I'll ask you what you want to become.
Ma'am, we have 4 minutes.
Okay, we have 4 minutes. Then let's finish this.
The hat. El sombrero.
The hat in Spanish is el sombrero.
Can we say only sombrero?
No, you have to say. See, el here means the. That is the hat. That is el sombrero. El here means the. Okay, so the hat is el sombrero. Yes, Anvishi, you have to ask something. Okay. Arush, you writing it? Arav is also writing. Abhinav is writing. Jyotishna is writing. Ansh, I don't know. Your camera is off. Adya. Yeah, Swara is writing.
Sombrero is hat.
Yeah, el sombrero is hat. Sombrero is hat and the hat is el sombrero. Ansh and Vineet are also writing it. Okay, great.
The shirt.
Okay, what the shirt is? You have written it, guys. You've written it. Yes,
Kamasi क्या है यार?
La camisilla.
La camisa.
La camisa.
La camisa.
La camisa. Okay.
La camisa.
La camisa.
La camisa.
Ma'am, I don't know color.
Okay, what is this? Anvishi.
El pantalones.
Yes, los
The
pantalones.
pants.
Los pantalones.
Los pantalones.
Pantalones.
Ma'am, loss is for
The
plural, right?
pants. Yeah. Los is for the pants. Los is used when the pants are plural.
And L,
Plural
L is
form.
when it's single, when it's one pant.
ma'am,
The
this is
The
single.
pants. No, like these are considered, and I don't know why they're saying los. Yeah, it would.
Okay.
Okay, Swara, what is this? Your mic is off.
Can I?
Yes, say. Swara, you're not audible today. Who is that? Can I guess? Vineet, say.
Lost calcetins.
Yes, los.
The socks.
Calcetins.
Calcitines. Los calcitines. Okay. Swara, you're not audible. I don't know why.
Can I
Yeah.
say?
So the hat.
The hat.
El sombrero.
Yes. El sombrero. Yes. Who is not done? Okay. Jyotishna, what is this?
A hat.
Okay. The hat in Spanish is el sombrero.
El sombrero.
Yes. Shashank. The hat in Spanish is
Ma'am, we are getting
The orange.
okay. Yes, Arush.
The orange.
El sombrero.
This
Los zapatos. Los
yes,
zapatos.
los zapatos.
El zapato.
Los zapatos.
See, Anvishi, they showed us two pair. First they showed before and then they showed.
The
Yeah, what is this?
Oh.
Ma'am, what do we say the shoes?
Zapatos. Jyotishna, los
El
zapatos.
pantalones cortos.
Yes, el pantalones cortos. Yes, Swara, I know you know, but you're not audible.
shorts.
Okay, what is the color of the shorts?
There were two, so los pantalones cortos. Cortos.
This color is morado.
Yes, ma'am. Dorado.
Pantalones cortos.
Okay, we'll do all these dresses again. Okay, this is a vestido, that is a dress, but we're running out of time. So you all know the dresses, right? You know 4 things. Ayush, you
Yes, ma'am.
very good. Jyotishna, you're showing me your drawing. What are the colors here?
There is blank.
See this, I have also made it.
Okay, yes, Anvishi, very nice. What are the colors?
also made it.
1 second, let me remove the blur.
Ma'am, there is negro.
Yes, Jyotishna, okay.
क्यों डिस्चार्ज हो गया?
Anvishi, what is the color?
I have not done
Ma'am, cafe, then
Okay, Shashank is also drawn.
what is
Okay.
skin color, then
Okay, Prakriti and Arush is also drawn.
azul, rosa, and negro.
Yes.
Negro is there, cafe is there.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is skin color?
That is beige.
Big.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Who is that? Who is telling ma'am? Yes, I can see Swara. I can see Shashank. I can also see yours. Prakriti, yours, and also Aruv. Jyotishna has already showed me.
ये मेरे दोस्त थे मैम
You can copy the link and paste it in your YouTube.
Ansh, Vineet, you have not done anything. Achha, class. Ayush, you got what we did in today's class?
Drawing, ma'am.
Ayush, you understood today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Ma'am, this is my drawing.
Yes,
I mean,
Prakriti, I don't know you were in last class or not, but we did colors there. Sashank, okay, Sashank, the colors in your drawings are the Roko is red.
Drawing, ma'am.
Okay, it's not your drawing.
This is
Okay,
Ansh.
Vineet and Kesri. Okay, yes, I can see the solar system.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Arush, you color it. Okay, next time
From
don't
the
show me
seeds.
again. Swara, I've also seen yours. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush.
Out of time.
Yeah.
I love your glasses.
Okay, Ayush.
Ma'am, I love your glasses.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Ayush. So, adios. Ciao. Who don't know, adios and ciao is goodbye.
Ma'am.
Adios, ma'am.
Adios, ciao, buenas noches.